go. It's time. We have so many people that want to transfer.
This would be a good time.
Let's go!
Late night adventures on the gridiron, and we
Yeah!
all know can happen when you kick off after dark. Aloha from Honolulu and home of the Hawaii Rainbow Warriors.
Oh boy! Oh my gosh! Look, we are just packed. It's a packed crowd today, boys. Woohoo, baby! It's a packed crowd. Dude, there's like 500 people here. Dude, there's more Sam Houston fans than there are Hawaii. Hold on. Wait, where? Damn. Okay. All right. Sam Houston came to play, boys. Stop, bro. They're not gonna stop unless we make them. Everybody, just press. Get up there. Get up there. Everybody, get up there. Let's go. I'm so happy that I played good man coverage right there. Let's be great on this third down.
Take care of the football and find those plays you really like.
That's not pass interference.
Today, the defense obviously watched the film, and they're going to come out and they're going to try to do the exact same thing and get this.
Yes.
This quarterback, he has
Yes, we were missing this guy. He did not play in the last game because he was hurt. If they blitz. Jesus. Who would have thought Sam Houston would be eating my lunch today? The only thing you support is a Sam Houston W? You're a fake fan. No, I'm just kidding. You're my rival. Yo! These quick snaps, man. I can't even audible, man. What the fuck, dude? Ah. Okay. Damn! Guys, we might be losing to Sam Houston.
A nice passing game by this offense. The quarterback
because these motherfuckers are not playing.
In time, in rhythm.
Oh no! Oh my God! Yo, Sam Houston, chill, dude. Dude, my O-line is trash, bro. Holy hell! How fast did that guy just get in there? I mean, let's count that. 1, 2, not bro. Let's stop him right here. Don't let him get in field goal range.
Really nice play call.
Oh boy, I'm not even controlling him. Oh, thank God. I'm like seeing ghosts right now with my offensive line. I'm still seeing ghosts. Ah! I don't think the other quarterback's going to really save me from much, but I mean, what else? What could we lose? Oh my God! He fumbled! Get the! Oh, you sons of bitches! I don't know what's going on, man. Watch the quarterback running. Okay, we stopped him. Oh my gosh! Look at the numbers out there. No respect.
Regardless the outcome today, guys, these are still
absolutely zero respect for this team. I would like to believe that I can wait for this option route. Jesus. Myself. I don't care about anything anymore. Look at how they're... Dude, they have no respect. All we're doing is passing, and they have no respect for the pass game. Just so you can hurry up and get out of that. Why would we throw it to him? Ah! My brain said, throw it to him. Ay, ay, ay. I don't even know if the corner was open. I'm sure he was. No, there we go. Oh, shit. Who the fuck is this guy? Start, Micah. All right, man. Sorry, Davis. You might transfer, but, I mean, you ain't really giving me nothing to work with right now. Let's run this read option like I wanted to. Oh! Oh! Okay. All right. Who the hell did I hit? Right in front of the Sam Houston fans. Let's go. Oh!
He can take it to the house.
Oh.
He's going to let one fly down the middle.
Manuma! Oh, that's not Manuma.
They can now take advantage of the defense throwing the ball over their heads. They're gonna
Damn, this kicker's got a leg, bro. How far was that kick?
Quarterback making checks. To the air on first down.
Oh.
He's
Oh. Oh. Oh, my God. We have life. We have life. They're playing for the lefty. They're playing for the lefty. Oh, yeah. Oh, go 87. Let's fucking go. Oh, my God, we have life, bro.
They'll go to work in the air on second down.
Yo, it's open. I'll take it.
Option for a big loss.
There we go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We've got life. We've got life. We've got life. What in the okay.
What you do in zone coverage. You drop in your spots. You read the quarterback's eyes.
Dude, I don't have enough time to wait. And also watch this quarterback scramble because I have a strong feeling he's running sticks. Oh, get it. Get it, Manuma. Let's go! And we hurt. Oh, we hurt their star running back. 6. I mean, they already knew. I shouldn't have ran that. I like the way this feels. Oh! What a fucking catch! Gee!
Wants to go up top.
Oh no.
Down to executing in the red zone. This is a big spot.
He got it. They were so close to the end zone. What was I gonna do?
Play after play today, and we know if it gets close in the fourth quarter, they're going to look his way, so the defense really needs to have a plan.
The offensive coordinator knows they want to keep running the football, so he's going back, he's looking at his playlist, and he's saying, which runs work the best for me in this game?
Oh, he almost fucking caught. Why is that our audible right there? Okay, let's look for Y. Oh, shit. Let's go. Go 3. Ah, that's a touchdown. Come on. I have a strong feeling like this type of play is not going to work, but we can try it. I fucking knew it, bro. What the shit? I tried to pitch that so much earlier. What the shit just happened? Oh my God. I don't even know what that was, dude. I have no fucking idea what that was all about.
If you're going to take a hit, this drive hasn't really gotten started. From the gun, wants to pass. He'll pull it down.
No. No. That's what I thought.
Gets down without taking. Back to pass.
No, we can't.
Can't make the connection.
Oh my God, and he's hurt. Are you serious? Oh no. We can get this wheel route.
How about the offensive line getting downfield and getting blocked?
I don't think we're getting the wheel route. However, let's go. Show you at the end of the game. It was beautiful. Touchdown. Try to get this game done with. Let's try to get it done with. See if we can get it done in like 5 minutes. Why? What is going? Why isn't it switching? I can't see. It's broken.
I know you want to take what the defense gives you, but at this point,
oh no, and like the direction is bad too. It's broke.
That's exactly what the defense field.
Oh, okay. Okay, we fixed it.
From the gun, wants to pass.
Kind of.
Lofts one deep down the right
Okay,
side.
you're going to call.
Makes the grab deep. Out of bounds.
Okay.
34-yard line.
Yeah, call Hut.
Shotgun snap, wants to throw it on third.
There we go.
Pass rush, gets there, gets home, gets him down at the 23. Down by multiple possessions, you can't come up empty on the fires deep toward the end zone.
There we go. All right, go. Let's go, Hawaii. Gotta go, guys. Bye. 2-1. Let's go. Goodbye. Goodbye. Hello, hi, yeah. Fuck Wyoming.